Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing this review of these crossbars that I got from eBay, 57 bucks. There are a ton of reviews on these crossbars, but anyway, they're good for up to, I believe, 45 inches, and unfortunately, these my roof on the Prius 2010 Prius that I have has a sunroof on it, and I couldn't put this on because it would be fitted onto the sunroof, and I wouldn't be able to use my sunroof, and I wouldn't want to do that because the sunroof is glass, obviously. So I'm gonna need one that's at maybe like probably like 50 inches or 48 inches or something like that. So I'm gonna be returning these, but just want to give you my impressions of this, because if you guys are looking to buy this, and this is one of the cheaper crossbars that's on eBay, maybe like the cheapest that's around. The system is probably the cheapest that's around, but I just want to tell you, overall, I'm gonna say that the uh, the build on this is pretty good. I mean, this is solid. This the feet are kind of plasticky, but I mean, it's good for a weight up to 160 pounds, and I could see why. It's solid. It's good enough. Is what I'm saying. It's good enough. All right. It comes with a set of keys. Um, now, so I just want to touch on like the biggest, um, I guess the biggest question mark I had on this. Well, before I do that, let me tell you something. This was very easy to put together. Very easy to put together. I actually put this together in the car. I was gonna put this together outside of the car, but it's so hot today that I ended up doing, even in the shade it was like ridiculously hot, but I ended up doing this inside the car. All right, I took it out of the packaging. You see the packaging right here. I took it out of the packaging. I took it out of, these came in a couple bags. They give you like eight different of these, what do they call these? Anyway, there's two versions of these. There's this version, and there's another version where, in this version right here. So those are the two versions.